Hello, my name is Jason Beach, and in this screencast we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot your SmartBoard. Now, we've recently deployed a bunch of new SmartBoards both at the 2+2 location and on campus, and occasionally you'll run into an issue where the SmartBoard is not connecting or not talking to your computer. First thing to remember is that the SmartBoard uses a USB connection. That's it. It just uses a USB connection to the computer, and if that connection is not consistent, then you run into some issues with the board not responding properly. So to troubleshoot the problem, you'll need to go to your Applications folder. To access your Applications folder, you'll need to find the little smiley face. Now, on the teacher stations, the little smiley face will be located in the bottom left corner of the screen. But that's the icon that you're looking for, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you can see you have access to applications and a variety of other folders that are available on your machine. Go to the Applications folder, and what you're looking for is the Smart Technologies folder. They're in alphabetical order, so you can just scroll down to the S's. So the Smart Technologies folder is what you're looking for, and when you click on that folder, you're going to see there's a variety of options within that folder. What you're most specifically focused on is the Smart Settings app. If you double-click to open that up, that's going to run you through the diagnostic process of fixing your board. Now, a few things to remember here. On your pen tray, if the light is red, that means that it's not talking to the computer at all. If the light is blinking green, that means that it is talking to the computer, but it's not getting the full connection, so you'll need to run the diagnostic. If the light is completely green, it's not flashing, it's a steady green, then the board is functioning properly. If your light is blinking green, to go through the connection wizard, and that will walk you through the process of fixing your board. To start the process, you just click the connection wizard, and then it's going to scan your system. It's going to look for the USB port connected to your SmartBoard. From this list, you're going to be able to select your SmartBoard, and then press continue to move on. It's also going to ask you to check the length of the cable recommended. The cable was perfectly fine as far as length goes, so you can skip this process. Next, it's going to ask you to unplug the USB and then plug it back in again. It's going to ask you to wait 3 seconds. So unplug, wait 3 seconds, and then plug it back in, and then press the continue button. Once you've done that, the light should turn to a solid green, and you should be able to interact with the board. Now, if the board is not aligned, if the arrow is not aligned directly underneath your finger or underneath the pin, you can orient the board at this position, at this point right here. And that's it. That's all it should take to get your board up and running.